some playground fun today? We're going to draw a playground with a slider and a trampoline. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Yay!
La da 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 dee.
Yay! Wow, look at our amazing playground. Great job, everyone. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me today. Keep practicing and exploring your creativity. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.